Hi, in today's video, we'll cover what find and replace is, why it's used, and the step-by-step process. Find and replace is a feature in MS Word that allows you to search for a specific word or phrase in a document and replace it with another word or phrase. This can save a lot of time and effort compared to manually searching and replacing each instance of a word. Find and replace is useful in a variety of situations. For example, if you want to search a word Microsoft and replace it with MS, you can use find and replace to quickly change all instances of the old information to the new information. It's also useful for correcting spelling mistakes or formatting errors throughout a document. Now that you know of its importance, by mastering these shortcuts you will be able to increase your speed and efficiency in using MS Word. The navigation panel is at the top right of the document. To display the navigation panel, you will need to press Ctrl+F. You can type the word you want to find. Meanwhile, to display the Find and Replace dialog box you will have to click on the Ctrl+H keyboard shortcut. When the Find and Replace dialog box appears, type the text you want to find in the Find field. You can also type the text you want to replace it with in the Replace field of the dialog box. Then you can choose to click on Replace or Replace All depending on where you want to make the change. So, now you know the steps to do the Find and Replace function on a Word document. Meanwhile, you can take your word skills to the next level and improve speed and efficiency by practicing the commands on the KeySkillset platform.